Assalamu alaikum everyone, I am Farhana bint Islam. Welcome to my channel Tech Codism with Farhana. In our previous video, we have shown how to manage mesh topology. So in this video, we'll go to see how to manage star topology. Okay, so let's start the video. So first, we know that in our star topology, we need a hub. So first, our work is to take a hub. Okay, and now we have to take some PC. Okay, so we have to connect it because this is different devices, so we have to take straight through. Okay, so this is different devices, so we have to take straight through. So just connect it. See, this is connected. This is a very simple part. Okay, so now we have to give our IP address T0. Our IP addressing is done, so now we have to check this is actually connected or not. So transfer message from here to here. This is successfully transfer our source address PC1 and destination address PC2. Okay, so again this is also successfully connected. Now our simulation part, let's check. Here we can see this is showing failed, so let's try again. See, successfully it will sometime show you this failed, so this is not a big deal. So again transfer here to here. See, now it is successfully run. Okay, I will give again this part, but it will show run to run. Okay, this is not a big deal. So if you now simulation part. Okay, when we will show our simulation part, that time it will show this type of sign and it will show fail. But when we'll send our message, it will show successfully run. So this is not a big deal, so don't worry about it. So just ignore this part. Okay, okay, this is our today's video. So if you like my video, so please do like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Till then, Allah Hafiz.